Most riders assume mods need big money, but that's not always true. Many of the smartest upgrades can be done for around $50 or less on most bikes. I'll point out where the cost or compatibility changes. And we're not talking about bolt-on flash. We're talking grips, adjustable levers, fork spacers, frame sliders, chain care tools, preload tweaks, and even a simple USB or safety light upgrade. These are the cheap fixes mechanics notice first because they affect safety and serviceability. They're the kind of changes that make experienced pros nod in respect. And it all starts with one upgrade so simple that most riders overlook it. Yet every mechanic instantly recognizes it as a sign you actually respect your bike. Respect earned through the basics. You earn respect from mechanics by keeping your focus on the basics. Function over flash. When someone works on bikes all day, they can immediately tell which riders actually think about control and safety compared to the ones who just decorate their machines. Cheap chrome covers or glowing LEDs might grab attention in a parking lot, but they don't help you stop faster, corner smoother, or ride more confidently. Practical upgrades, even if they look plain, tell a much sharper story about how serious a rider you really are. Take something as simple as levers. Stock levers often come with rough tolerances and limited adjustment, which can leave you fighting for smooth control. Swapping to adjustable levers gives you better clutch and brake feel, reduces fatigue, and makes the bike more responsive in real riding conditions. Mechanics notice that instantly, because it's a change you feel in your hands every time you touch the controls, not just when the bike is parked. A rider who makes that choice is thinking about performance, not posing. Brakes are another example. Upgraded pads or stainless steel braided lines do more than look good. They transform safety and control. Higher quality pads improve stopping power and feel, while braided lines cut down on fade during hard braking. These upgrades may cost more than $50 depending on the bike and brand, but the point is clear. A rider who invests here is investing in staying in control during emergency stops. Mechanics always respect that decision because it's the kind of improvement that can actually save your skin. Even the small touches add up. A modest spend on better grips delivers more comfort and confidence, especially on longer rides, while upgraded mirrors give you a clearer field of vision. They might not turn heads like aftermarket lights or colored bolts, but they make every ride smoother and safer. Mechanics value those changes far more than cosmetic accessories because they speak directly to your ability to handle the bike. The contrast is easy to sum up. Stickers on a helmet don't matter, but a properly fastened chin strap does. Function always beats decoration. Mechanics judge riders the same way. They look for the parts that make a real difference when things get tense on the road. That's why you'll sometimes see a mechanic grin when a bike comes in with clean new tires or fresh brake components and roll their eyes at a bike loaded with cosmetic bolt-ons. One shows a rider chasing reactions, the other shows a rider planning ahead and respecting the reality of riding. Small, thoughtful upgrades reveal mindset, and that mindset earns respect. And here's the payoff. When you spend on the basics, you don't just get smoother control or safer handling. You also protect yourself from problems that will only show up later if you ignore them. That kind of foresight is another thing mechanics always watch for, and it's where even cheaper upgrades start playing a bigger role. Cheap mods that prevent big problems. Some of the smartest upgrades are the ones that don't look like upgrades at all. They don't get compliments in a parking lot, but they do stop hidden problems before they turn into expensive repairs. This is where cheap mods prove their real value. Not by making your bike louder or shinier, but by preventing the kind of damage that takes a machine off the road. The first lesson is simple. Prevention doesn't show off. Most riders would rather spend money on decals or colored parts than something that hides by the engine. But mechanics know better. They've seen tiny practical changes save riders hundreds, sometimes thousands, in repair costs. Frame sliders are a perfect example. They look boring. No one will clap because you bolted black pucks to your frame. But when your bike tips in a driveway or loses balance at walking speed, those same pucks can stop cracked fairings, bent levers, and a dented engine cover. A repair like that can easily cross $400, but an inexpensive slider often absorbs it. The key here is quality. Mechanics always check the hardware. If the slider mount is solid and torqued correctly, they respect the choice. If it's just a flimsy clip-on, they shake their heads because cheap protection that fails is worse than none at all. Chain care is another area where small habits save major money. A lot of beginners think they can just ride until the chain starts squeaking, then spray some lube after the fact. That's how sprockets wear early and drive lash shows up in the drivetrain. An O-ring chain upgrade is the ideal long-term solution when your old one is due, but you should know it usually costs well over $50 depending on the bike and brand. Until then, the budget fix every single rider can afford is proper chain maintenance. A basic chain cleaner and lube kit runs under 25 bucks, and using it on schedule keeps grit out and lubrication in. That single inexpensive routine stretches the life of both chain and sprockets, and mechanics notice the difference instantly. A clean, cared-for chain tells them the owner pays attention. Another overlooked fix is protecting your engine and underbody. A basic skid plate, especially if you ride off-road or on rough streets, makes a huge difference. Rocks, debris, and unexpected bumps can chip or crack your cases and headers. A so-called cheap skid plate can be found for under $50 on many models, and while it's not flashy, it deflects the kind of hits that could otherwise leave you stranded with oil pouring out. It's the sort of quiet protection mechanics applaud because it shows foresight and realism. You're planning for the conditions you really ride in, not just the ideal ones. Even lightweight guards like bar-end sliders or spools can add up in the long run. They protect controls, give you lift points for stands, and cut down repair costs after the inevitable slow-speed mistake. Mechanics see these details as signs of experience. They know you understand drops happen, and you'd rather spend a little now to avoid replacing controls later. What matters most is choosing carefully. Don't assume the very cheapest parts online will protect you. Thin sliders, brittle brackets, or off-brand crash bars can fail at the exact moment you need them most. When they do, the damage is often worse than if you had installed nothing at all. Spending slightly more on well-made hardware from a trusted source gives you protection mechanics will actually respect. All of these mods share one theme. They're not about looks, they're about long-term survival. They quietly reduce the risk of costly breakdowns, keep your bike rideable after a mistake, and preserve its value in the process. Mechanics always notice which riders plan for problems before they happen. A small preventive spend today avoids big repair bills later. And while these kinds of upgrades earn respect, there's another category of budget mods that speaks even louder. Not about prevention, but about the way you actually ride. Mods that signal rider wisdom. When mechanics talk about rider wisdom, they aren't looking at paint jobs or chrome pipes. They look for small, thoughtful mods that show you've tuned the bike to fit you in the road. These changes are usually inexpensive, but they speak volumes about how much you understand comfort, control, and long-term ride quality. Take the fork brace. It's a simple piece of hardware that stiffens the front end, cutting down on fork flex when you brake hard or lean into uneven pavement. The benefit is a steadier feel at the bars, less chatter, and improved confidence through corners. Mechanics respect this because it's a hidden improvement that only a rider who cares about handling even thinks to install. Preload adjusters or spacer kits are another subtle upgrade. Stock suspension is rarely matched perfectly to a rider's weight, and many owners never touch it. Adding adjusters lets you set sag properly, so the bike tracks through turns without wallowing or diving under braking. It transforms overall stability and extends suspension life. That simple effort tells a mechanic you care enough to dial in the fundamentals before chasing horsepower. Bar risers fall into the same category. Just lifting the bars a couple of centimeters changes more than posture. It eases wrist strain, encourages smoother steering inputs, and reduces fatigue on longer rides. What others might dismiss as a minor comfort tweak actually delivers more consistent control, especially when road conditions are tough. A mechanic spots risers and knows this rider plans for both short commutes and long days in the saddle. Adjustable levers also carry a quiet weight. Stock levers assume every rider has the same hand size and grip strength, but that's rarely true. Swapping to adjustable levers gives you a clutch and brake you can fine-tune to your reach, which sharpens control in traffic and under stress. Mechanics notice the difference immediately. It's not cosmetic, It's a real improvement in rider input. Even before investing in any of these parts, there's one mod that costs nothing but time: setting suspension sag. Checking and adjusting sag so the suspension compresses correctly under your weight is, according to countless mechanics, the single biggest improvement most riders never bother with. It brings the bike back into correct geometry, improves comfort over bumps, and stops the suspension from topping out or bottoming out too soon. Riders who take the time to set it show they understand how performance comes from setup, not just aftermarket catalogs. Put these pieces together and you see the pattern. A fork brace, preload adjusters, bar risers, adjustable levers, and proper sag setup are all modest, budget-friendly decisions. None of them make your bike louder or flashier. They make it ride better. Mechanics pick up on that instantly because it separates the crowd chasing attention from the riders serious about control, stability, and endurance. Think of it this way. Rider A spends money on an exhaust and decals. Rider B spends the same amount making sure their bars, levers, and suspension fit their body. Flash versus function. Mechanics don't hesitate. They respect the one who made the bike handle right. These are the kinds of changes that quietly prove experience and foresight. They're about improving the ride for every mile, not the appearance for a moment. And that understanding points toward the bigger truth behind every respected modification. The upgrades that truly earn mechanic respect are the ones that sharpen control, improve safety, and extend your bike's life. They may not grab attention in a parking lot, but they work every time you ride, and that's what matters. In the comments, tell me, what's the best cheap mod you've added to your bike? Pick one of the 7 we covered today and make it happen this month, then come back and share which one you chose. Hit like and subscribe if you want more mechanic level tips. Do this stuff right, and the mechanic will nod instead of rolling their eyes.